Advanced voucher interest rates parameter. In voucher interest, the period may be different for each voucher as the vouchers are added later on after creation of ledger account. So the parameters are mostly unknown at the time of creation of ledger account. So you may specify default parameters with option to override the parameters during voucher entry. If you specify multiple parameters in voucher interest, you must make sure that they are different for non-overlapping period or non-overlapping balance type, debit credit balances, else there will be double interest computation. Having set the advanced interest methods at the upper portion of interest parameters setup, set the advanced interest rate parameters at the lower part as follows. Interest rates. At rate, enter the rate for ledger in percentage, for example 12. Interest rate period. At par, select the period from interest style list for which the interest rate that is entered in the preceding field would be applicable from the following available rate periods. Monthly interest rate. When monthly interest rate is specified, select 30 days month to compute the interest on 30-day month basis. So the interest for February and interest for month would be same for the same number of days. Select calendar month to compute the interest on number of days in the calendar month. So the interest for February and interest for March would be different for the same number of days. Yearly interest rate. When yearly interest rate is specified, select 365-day year to compute the interest on 365-day year. So the interest for the year 2012, 366 days leap year, and interest for the year 2013, 365 days year would be same for the same number of days. Select calendar year to compute the interest on the basis of number of days in the year, 365 or 366. So the interest for the year 2012, which is having 366 days for leap year, and interest for the 2013 365 days year would be different for the same number of days. Balance type. At on, select the balance type as follows. Select all balances to consider both debit and credit balances into account for computation of interest. Credit balances only. Select credit balances only to consider credit balances only into account for computation of interest. Select debit balances only to consider debit balances only into account for computation of interest. Applicability rule. At applicability, select the following due period option from the list. Select always to compute interest from voucher date. Select past due date to compute interest from due date. If you have selected past due date at applicability, then at buy you should further specify the number of days after the due date from which the interest will be applicable. Applicability date. At the field calculate from, select the interest applicable date from option from the following. Select due date of invoice reference to compute interest from due date of invoice or reference. Select date of applicability to compute interest from applicable date as specified. Select effective date of transaction to compute interest from effective date of transaction. Rounding method. At rounding, select the rounding method from the list and specify the rounding limit. The computed interest rate would be rounded off as per rounding rules specified. Select no rounding. Select not applicable if no rounding is applicable. The fraction figure after two places of decimal is truncated. Lower rounding. Select downward rounding to round up the amount to lower value. The rounded amount is lower than or equal to the computed amount. Higher rounding. Select upward rounding to round up the amount to higher value. The rounded amount is higher than or equal to the computed amount. Nearest rounding. Select normal rounding to round up to the nearest value. The rounded amount may be higher or lower than the computed amount as per rounding limit set. Rounding limit. If any rounding method is selected other than not applicable, specify the rounding limit like 0.01, 0.10, 1, 10, etc. You may enter such multiple definitions for different interest applicable periods.